Okay, so let's see how to copy and use a file from the USB to the memory card. All right, so first of all, you have to be in write mode, which is right here, and then you have to be in edit mode. This is confirmed by this line over here, so you see edit right here. All right, then let's go to directory, and I'm going to import a file name called 208. So you see how you don't have 208 here. Then let's go to operator, and then device, choose USB memory, and then let's go get this memory, right? File 208. Now, notice up here how you have 12, file 12 selected from the just 12. So now what I want to do is file input, right? So I'm inputting the file from the USB to the general memory, right? So I'm going to put 0 O for Oscar, 0 to 08, and then I click here file input. You see how you populate it here, and then I put 208 for the O number, okay, and then I hit execute. Now notice how it pops up here, right? So now I want to switch to device CNC memory. Now we go CNC memory. My file's still up there, but it's not. And now it's down here. So let's see how the file looks. And here you have it. Now let's say I want to delete that file. Then it's pretty easy. You just click O0208 and then you hit delete. Delete program. Go ahead and execute, and that's how you delete the program. All right.